If your Ecobee Thermostat here is just showing a black screen, well, there are a few things here that you can do to fix this problem. So, first is we want to do the basics. So, you want to check the power switch and breaker. Now, start with the basics, so make sure the furnace power switch is turned on. Now, you want to head to your home circuit breaker and check if the furnace breaker has tripped. Now, if it has, flip it back on to the on position. So many times, this simple check can bring your thermostat back to life. And also, you may need to take a peek into the small furnace peephole for a red light. Now, a solid red light here means the furnace is fine, so the thermostat or wiring may be the issue. So, a flashing red light indicates an error code, which can look up which you can look up in your furnace manual. Now, if there's no light at all, that could point for a power issue or a bad transformer. Now, also, you may want to inspect the wiring and maybe clean the system. Now, before diving deeper here, give this system a quick health check. So, look at the thermostat and furnace wiring to make sure all connections are tight and clean any dust off the circuit board. Now, since the breeze can cause problems, also, you may need to replace your furnace filter if it's dirty because a clogged filter can clear unexpected issues. And also, check your furnace panel and safety switches. Now, you want to open up the furnace panel here, usually held by a few screws. Inside, you'll find safety switches, and any of them have popped out. Press them back in. These switches are designed to shut things down when or there's an issue, but sometimes they just need a quick reset. Now, also, you want to test and replace the fuse if needed. Now, inside the furnace, you'll see a small fuse here. Gently pull it out and check if it's blown. Now, if it is, replace it with the same type of fuse here. This is one of the most common fixes for thermostat black screen, so if it's worth checking out carefully. Now, you want to turn the power back on and give the thermostat a minute or two to reboot. Now, if it stays black, remove the thermostat and test the wiring with a multimeter. Now, you should see about 24 volts. Now, if you don't, the wiring may be the problem. But if the voltage looks good, the thermostat still won't power on, then the thermostat itself may need to be replaced. But that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.